Hey, what's up, besties? It's that time again. Let's pay off some debt. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is something that you love or the journey that you're on, or you just find this content encouraging, motivating, entertaining, I really encourage that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know anytime I upload new content. And if you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I'm so happy that you guys are back. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this video because I'm excited and sad all at the same time. So I do have some bad news to share with you guys, but I'm gonna be sharing it a little bit further into the video. So yeah, I have here my side hustle budget book. This is my papers budget book, and then I have my regular budget book, which is where I house my debt-free journey workbook. And this is a workbook that I offer. If you are interested in it, it will be linked down below. So for those of you guys who may not be aware, I am on a debt-free journey to pay off approximately about $33,000 worth of debt. For my phase one, I am breaking up my debt in phases. And so I started this journey September of last year, 2023. And I have paid off approximately about $17,000 worth of debt already. So I don't have much to go to complete phase one, and I'm super excited about that. So that's just kind of updating you guys if you are not aware of what's going on here. And I am going to start with the payoff plan. I do like to kind of refresh my memory of why I'm paying off debt, the plan, etc. All right, so refreshing my memory, I want to pay off debt because I want to increase my credit score again. I'm ready to start my homework projects again, and I'm tired of having a million bills. I want my money to be able to do the things that I love. I do want to invest in real estate, more real estate in the future. I want to refinance on my home for, you know, a lower interest rate. I have a pretty good interest rate, but anything lower is always even better. And so that's why I want to pay off debt. And I am currently using the debt snowball method right now. I was doing the debt priority and it just wasn't working. So I had to go back to the debt snowball. And then as it relates to the income that I'm using my side hustle income to pay off debt for the most part. And I am making my debt payments pretty much at the end of each month. And then I hope to be done with phase one by October 2024. So this is my debt overview here. These are all of the debts that I have had, and I've paid off the majority of them. Right now, I am working to pay off the personal taxes. And so that is if I'm working on the snowball method, that's the next, that is the next one up in line to be paid off. And so I will be making the snowball payment. And currently my snowball payment is, well, actually, I'm gonna look at my planner here. This is my side hustle budget planner, and I've already budgeted for it. So it is a total of $549.05 is what I'm going to be snowballing today, because that is my snowball payment. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that payment. I like to do it with you guys, and then I will be right back.
Oh, guess do I require? More, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. Show you what.
All right, bestie, so I have made that payment. It is sent off, and I did it. I paid $549.05, and then I also paid another debt as well. This wasn't my debt, but I did pay it. So total in like debt payments, I've paid a total of $1,066.05 this month. So if you haven't caught the video where I did my budget for my side hustle, I'll leave it linked for you guys to check that out if you're interested on, you know, how much money I made on YouTube, or if you're interested in just basically how I am budgeting my side hustle money. That video is there for you. So I am all set here. And now I am moving back over to my debt, my debt-free workbook. And this is where I am going to be updating my pages here. So I actually need to update all of it, but I'm gonna let me see. So supplemental taxes, this was paid this month. Everything was paid this month. So let me take a moment to update that.
Is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that? Is it in the way you're moving? Sunlight, sunlight. Is it in the way you're moving? What's heaven like when you're like that?
Alright, Bessie, so I've updated my debt payment trackers. So I'm excited about that. And the personal taxes, once I got to 2302.19, so I'm actually 40% paid off. So I think, yeah, I'm 40. So I'm gonna update that a little bit later. All right, so let's see how much I have paid off in July, or how much I paid in July. So for supplemental taxes, I paid $192.10, and then for the personal taxes, $649.05. Oh my gosh, really? $192.10 plus $649.05. You guys, my voice is so deep, because I'm just now getting my voice back. $98.86 plus $110.18. So I have, my phone upside down. So I have paid off $1,050.19 worth of debt in July. And that brings my balance down to $15,643.07 minus, we are at $14,592.88. Making good progress. And then August is going to be will then be at 1 year once we get to August. So this is looking pretty good, making good progress. I really felt good about making that debt snowball payment in July. We are literally almost at 10K, so I'm super excited about that, you guys. So here's the bad news. Let me share with you guys the bad news. I had to get the good news out of the way. I've already literally cried about this, so I'm probably not going to be so emotional right now because I've gotten over it. I've cried about it, and I'm already emotional to see like what I can do. But we are in the month of July, and my credit score has dropped from 715 to, hold on, it's 6 something. Hold on. It is 686. 686. All that work I was doing, I started at 621, worked my way up, and now I'm at 686. So let me tell you why. So there was something that I got an alert, and I'm like, what? It was like your credit score dropped. I'm like, why? So I hurried up and logged in, and then I see that there's something on my credit that appeared, and it was an insurance company that I had like way back in it was before 2020 because it was before I moved, and I guess I had a balance, and I didn't know about this balance. I didn't know that I had a bill due. I didn't get the bill in the mail, of course, not probably, because I moved and I had switched insurance companies. So basically that's on my credit now, and so I am working to try to get it removed. Well, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to. I know that I have to make the payment, but I am just trying to figure out, like, why do I even have a bill? Like, it doesn't even make sense to me because I pay my bill every month. So that's why I'm just confused. So anyway, I'm working on that, but it did drop my score drastically, and I am working on getting it back up, but I will keep you guys updated. Like I said, this has already been, I've known about this now for about a month. It's just that I was really sad. Like, when I tell you sad, I was sad because you guys know how hard I've worked for this, and then to have that happen, I'm just like, you know what, okay, let me dust off. After I cried about it, I'm like, okay, if you were able to take your credit score from 621 in September of last year to 715 May, just a few months, then you can do it again. And I'm not in the market to use my credit anytime soon, so I am just like, okay, I did it once, I could do it again, and you know, let's do it together. But anyway, yeah, so I'm back basically a little bit of where I was in December of last year. So that had me really sad, but I did want to update this and let you guys know I don't have it here in my debt because I need to figure out, I need to go through the process. I've already put in a claim, and so they're mailing me the information or whatever. Anyway, I'm no credit expert. Like I always told you guys, like I'm not an expert, especially when it comes to sending in letters and all that stuff. Like, I'm not. So anyway, that is pretty much everything. Where are you guys in your debt journey? If you haven't started your debt-free journey yet, I really encourage that you do. Start it before the year ends. Start it before the year ends. You will love yourself for it. But if that is it, I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.